Will AI take your job? So before I get into the video, check out the OverEmployed Masterclass, link below in the description or the pinned comment. We teach you how to become and how to stay overemployed, and also check out the free or the paid version of the Discord, also linked below. So, will AI take your job? So if you've seen ChatGPT in the news recently, it's been pretty crazy. People have been posting screenshots or using it themselves to see how really strong this tool is, right? So basically, if you're not familiar with it, people can type in a language prompt, they type in some words, a few sentences, and ask ChatGPT to do something for them. So it can either output something, output code, output a legal contract even, write an email convincing people why they should buy their product. Pretty crazy stuff, right? I'll link some examples below in the description so you can see how truly strong this tool is. And a lot of people also started thinking, they're like, wow, this is pretty advanced. Does this mean the corner is kind of being crossed for people in the future being out of jobs, right? Does it make software engineers less valuable? Will more people be using these type of technologies with AI that can replace people, right? Can replace people's entire jobs. So at the end of the day, you guys need to realize there have been these kind of scares for software engineers for a while. I'm a little on the younger side, but in the early 2000s, there was a scare that foreign workers would get North American work outsourced to them, right? So people would get contractors working in South Asia, places like that, and they would do all tech work, all software engineering, and everybody in Canada or North America or America, wherever, would lose their job, right? So people were scared of this, and then eventually they realized, okay, it's not that simple. It's not like just, hey, do this program for me, write this business requirement, and then boom, it's done. No, there's a lot of things that go on in software engineering that are beyond just writing a bit of code, right? Sure, for the small tasks, things that are menial, or things that are very cookie cutter boilerplate type stuff, maybe they just need a landing page created, whatever. Sure, all of those things can be replaced with either AI or any no code or low code tool available out there. Let's say you want a landing page. You're not going to really pay a developer to make up a custom landing page for you with a proper website with a new domain. No, you'll just go on Wix or Squarespace or any other templated landing page site, website site, and you whip up a landing page in 2 minutes, right? And it only costs you like a few bucks a month, maybe like 10, 20 bucks a month, whatever. There's no reason you would hire a developer for that. However, if there's a big enterprise or even a small enterprise doing a complex problem, or they're dealing with complex inputs where customers need very specific personalized solutions, you'll never be able to replace that with someone other than a skilled software engineer that can also communicate well, right? These people break down customer requests and requirements, and they translate these into code very efficiently, if they're skilled at it at least, right? So it's not easy to get an AI or an outsourced worker to do that same thing. There will always be demand for these people, for these skilled software engineers. And if there isn't demand, basically that's the least thing you should worry about, because if there's no demand for software engineers, that means it's also at a point where basically every single office job has been outsourced away to AI. That means it's already taken every other job, and software engineering is the last one it can possibly remove. So at that point, you shouldn't be worrying, because everyone else is also going to be jobless. World's ending. Who cares? But yeah, this will take a while. Like maybe in the future, sure, it could even replace very skilled software engineers that translate complex business requirements to code. But for the near future, you will not have to worry about it one bit, right? Obviously, if you're just doing very low level work in software engineering, you might be a little worried, like it might reduce the amount of headcount, for example, required if these tools become really that advanced and useful. But at the end of the day, if you're a skilled engineer and you know that you bring value to a company that's higher than just writing up a little bit of code, a little function here and there, things that an AI can't do, or an outsourced worker in Asia can't do, then you'll always have a place at any company to work, right? Doesn't mean you'll have the best possible job, but you'll have a job, right? So don't worry about this. If you guys have any other opinions of AI taking people's jobs or replacing software engineers, leave your comment down below. I want to hear your guys' opinions on this. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.